As you will have seen in the previous videos, in the University Hall there is a button marked Badges. There are also 2 panels showing all the training modules in the game, which correspond to the various classrooms and laboratories you can visit. When you click on Badges, you can see a list of the modules and units of learning. All the modules are shown in grey because they haven't been completed. The previous videos showed you how to carry out the learning activities. As you complete the modules and pass the test, the modules change colour. Let's look at an example of how to complete a test once you've studied the material in the corresponding module. We can go into any room, for example, Auditorium A. As you know, you can find the learning content by clicking on highlighted objects. When you have read and understood the text, click on Return, and a dialog box will appear with the option of taking a test. In the test, you have to answer all the questions. There is only one correct answer to each item, and there is no maximum time to complete the test. Once you have finished, you can check your answers. If the results are all green, it means that you've completed the unit of learning correctly. Then you can go back to the hall and into the Badges area. You will see that this unit of learning is shown in green. The 2 modules that include this unit of learning now appear in orange. They will turn green as soon as all the units of learning in the modules are completed, or, in other words, you have answered all the questions correctly in the tests. As you go through the different classrooms and learning activities, orange colours will turn to green, as you can see on the screen. In this way, you can keep track of the modules and units you have completed.